intertwining itself with the beliefs and traditions of diverse cultures.
The serpent in the Garden of
In
Eve.
ancient times, the serpent was a symbol of enlightenment, holding
The
the
Nagas.
message of good and evil.
Divine spiritual beings.
The Christian church later painted this enigmatic figure as a tempting and malevolent demon.
Your Christian church, your
However,
Catholics.
the serpent was not always a source of fear. It was worshipped as a representation
Your
of the
Catholics is behind all this.
transformative element of fire, connecting humanity to the cosmic forces.
You heard that?
The spiritually awakened, those whose kundalini energy surged within them.
Did you hear that?
The title of Nagas. This tradition extended far beyond geographical boundaries, and we find echoes of snake worship in places like Ireland and Tibet, where actual serpents are scarce. In the temple carvings of Angkor Wat in Cambodia and within the hallowed walls of Buddhist temples in Sri Lanka, the presence of the Naga endures, carrying a legacy of spiritual significance. The central premise of this video revolves around the profound intention of these beings.